Hey everyone, this is Mike Monty. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a wrist mount, which is a prerequisite for a lot of tricks, surprisingly. So a wrist mount looks like this. The yo-yo gets mounted over your wrist in an interesting bucket type thing. To do it, you throw a breakaway, you let the yo-yo go up and over the index finger of your free hand, you let it go up and over the wrist of your throw hand. Unlike the double or nothing where it goes over the index finger, this one you want it to go over the wrist. Like the double or nothing, it goes over the index finger of your free hand again. You want it to go into this triangle that it has created and to land on the only possible string inside that triangle it could land on. Pull your index finger out of this loop. You now have a wrist mount formed, which is kind of like a green triangle of sorts. To get out of it, you can basically grab the string on your middle finger of your throw hand with the index finger of your free hand. Grab the string coming over the thumb of your throw hand with the thumb of your free hand. And if you pull your free hand away from your throw hand quickly, the yo-yo will pop up and out of that formation and it will leave you with just a yo-yo hopefully sleeping at the bottom of the string, which you could then catch. If you don't want to hop it out the same way you got in, and you're in the wrist mount, you could take the index finger of your free hand, undercut the yo-yo with it, then mount the yo-yo up and onto the string that is on the throw hand side of your body of your index finger. Mount it up onto that string behind everything else. Let the string that is on the index finger of your free hand drop off, and then drop the loop that is on the top of your throw hand off. That will drop down to nothing, and it will leave you with a trapeze, which you can then find and catch. So that is how you do a wrist mount. That's how you get in and out of it. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, but hopefully that'll get you squared away. I'll see you next time.